Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So I'm here today with a video to talk about the fingerprint sensor on the Pixel 6 and also the 6 Pro because there was an update that was pushed out by Google. Yes, we finally got an update. Phone's been out for several weeks now. Lots of complaints about the fingerprint sensor. Is it working properly? Is it not working properly? Is it too slow? Is it too spotty? Well, they decided to push out a very small update, only about, I think, like 18 megabytes. Very small. And it's supposed to make it where the fingerprint sensor is faster. So we're going to test it out. But you're probably wondering how we're going to test it out because we have the phone here. Well, luckily I have the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro, and I have not downloaded the patch for the 6 Pro yet. So we're going to go in. I have the patch for the Pixel 6, so we're going to do a side-by-side comparison, have a look at it, and see, well, which one actually works faster or which one works better. So you'll get to see this live in real time with your own eyes. Now, before we get into that, I do want to say if this is your first time stopping by the channel, thank you for being here. If you enjoy the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and a little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. Now let's see if this fingerprint sensor update fixed anything. So before we get started, I actually have a screen protector on my Pixel 6 Pro. I don't have one on the 6, so I got to take this one off so we have a fair test here. So RIP my poor screen protector, which actually was working out really well, so it hurts my heart kind of to do that. But it's I'll put another one on later. So now we can go ahead and do the test between the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro. Again, the Pixel 6 has the update. The 6 Pro, I have not installed it on there. So we can do a true side-by-side comparison and see if it actually worked out, if it's more accurate, if it's faster, and let's go ahead and run this test. So let's do it to it, as it were. Again, the left is the Pixel 6, the right is the Pixel 6 Pro. The moment of truth, that was about the same speed there. So that wasn't any noticeably faster, but we're going to test this out a couple of times to see if we can find an anomaly. About the same again. So I'm not seeing a whole lot of fasterness here. Oh, there we go. There's one win for the left. So it didn't get hung up. Sometimes it is prone to do that, so that's promising to see. Let's try it again. About the same. There's a little bit of a hiccup on the left side that time too, so it doesn't look like it's completely taken all that out. Same speed again. We'll do like the best of 10 here. Same speed again. Nope, slightly faster there. So I'll call that about 2 wins for the Pixel 6. Let's try it again. About the same. About the same. Do one more for good measure. Oh, there we go. That one was noticeably faster. So looks like out of maybe about 12 attempts. I mean, I wasn't keeping track in my brain there while I was trying to do this test, but it does seem like the Pixel 6 with the update a couple of times edged out the Pixel 6 Pro. So whenever they're working like they're supposed to, they seem to work closely about the same speed. But the thing is it seems like the Pixel 6 Pro that doesn't have the update yet is more prone to having some of those hang-ups like we've experienced. So it seems like, there we go, the left one again is slightly faster. So I'm glad I went ahead and did this test so that way I could show you this stuff. Now let's go back and talk some more. All right. We have tested out the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro with the fingerprint sensor. Like I said, from the get-go, the Pixel 6, I got the software update. The 6 Pro does not. That gave me the best opportunity to put them side by side to see if there actually was any improvement. As you can see in the testing, most of the time it was pretty much the same, but there were about 3 or 4 times out of maybe 12 to 15 where there was a noticeable delay in the Pixel 6 Pro. It seems like what's going on is whenever it works like it's supposed to, that's probably about as fast as it's going to get, at least for now. But whenever you look at it, sometimes they do slow down. Sometimes it's got like a hitch in its step. It's got a little bit of lag. It's got some delay. Sometimes it's got quite a bit of delay, and we saw that even in the test here. So looking at it side by side, it looks like Google has addressed this at least somewhat. Hopefully that helps out some people. Hopefully that makes you feel a little bit better about your phone. Hopefully it gives you a little bit more enjoyable experience because gosh darn is it frustrating whenever you sit there and you try and open your phone and like 5 times in a row, it doesn't register your fingerprint. So I gotta say though, it does seem like it's still fairly more accurate. And I was using a screen protector previously to this. Oh my gosh, using a screen protector on the phone is an absolute nightmare because it makes it nearly impossible for the fingerprint sensor to work. But no screen protector on, it seems like there is an improvement. I'm happy about it. I'm glad I could report on this and come in and show you the video. So that's all I got in this video. Hopefully this test was helpful. Hopefully you enjoyed it and gave you some reassurance or gave you some information you needed if you were curious about the fingerprint sensor on the 6 and the 6 Pro and if they're any better. So that's all I've got. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want to update when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.